Good morning, everyone. So today is Thursday. We are having to wake up early. It's because it's Braxton's eye checkup today. So yesterday he missed school because he had infusion, and today he missed school again because he has eye appointment. So Braxton's case is he has a uveitis, and we do not know. It's a very rare condition. We did not know, even the doctor did not know that how it happened. But I spoke to one of the nurse in one of the hospital here in Austin, that this condition, his brother also had a condition after his brother received COVID shot. But I talked to his doctor about it, how if there is any relation to it, and the doctor cannot confirm it. The doctor said, I'm not sure, I don't know. And I don't know either what's going on. But then it's weird because after also Braxton had a shot, he also developed this condition. He was really pretty healthy before. He never had condition or anything. Now he developed it. But there is no, we cannot really present any proof or studies that can cause any of that. So I'm not sure, but right now that's what we are treating, and this treatment is also already almost, oh gosh, ongoing 3 years now, and his infusion is very expensive. Without insurance, the infusion is gonna be like around $5,000 or more per month, and sometimes he has to have it twice a month if he miss one session. And he actually stays in the clinic for like 3 to 4 hours. And after the infusion, he pretty much out. He's very weak and he cannot, he just goes sleep. He spend the rest of his day go sleep. So he missed all day yesterday. As you can see, you had a video yesterday. We had an infusion, and now today we're also going to check the his eyes, because this is like an inflammation behind his cornea, which affect his vision, and if we don't treat it, it can cost him to blindness. So he can go to blind. Oh, he can get blind. So that is what we've been treating for. And so we had an infusion yesterday, and today we're gonna go to see his eye doctor to see the status of his eyes, look at the back of his eyes. Hopefully, last time before we went to Philippines for vacation, we went to see his doctor. It's been 3 months already. His eye was doing great. He had no inflammation, but hopefully he had no inflammation. So we're crossing our fingers that, you know, he's doing good. So we're making his food for his lunch. He's got chicken nuggets today, and we're also making some munggo for lunch later on. So good morning. Na prank. She thought that she thought I'm talking to somebody, and then she was like really like walking quietly. He has no idea that I'm vlogging. Hilarious. She just woke up. She's wearing her sweater because she's cold. I was like, why are you cold, Alaska girl?
I'm not Alaskan, I'm Texan.
Yeah. you know, it's a routine, just making her coffee, and she did not make me coffee. I should spank her butt right now. Yeah, that's my sister, my lovey-dovey sister. Huh? Wrong flavor?
Wala naman.
Wala na?
Even have it.
You have, I put that there, oy. Buta man na.
You want one?
Buta man na siya. No, because I actually warm up a water there. So, yeah, don't need to make me one. I make my own.
She's gonna make her own cappuccino.
Okay, so that's the munggo that I'm making. We're gonna put kalabasa. You guys know kalabasa? Squash. Later on. And look. Si Kuan ba? Si Kuan ba? Si Kuan. Suko kay siya kaya nga untog shrimp kagabi. Bahok daw. Siya allergic ko ng shrimp. Ko allergic ka shrimp kalami ano? Ako.
Mula na iyang head.
Mula yung ilong. Nya, nga bahok kayong shrimp, ko bahok ka karon. Nga pahimo kanyo pwede ande ko mag-English sabtan ko. Bisaya ko. Siya nga pwede ka mangaon mo dito sa kuan babe, sa kuan sa gawas. Kay bahok kaayo. Inko mangaon nyo ang sauna nimo ayaw na ikabutang resulod. Sauna niko nako nimo nga wala man mi kaon. Nya si Bintilara sa bakay ng kanahan ng mga shrimp. Ngunit siya nga, ay, kanang kuan ba, kanang gaya, pasulod. Unya, ang refrigerator na nasulod. Aswato na akong refrigerator, patungo sa garage. Siya nga, sa gawas. Saan ka ba, makumakaon karon matulog naman ko. Lo, siya ay, sunod ba? Salamat, babe, ha? Salamat. Kaluoy ni Kalbo, di siya ganahag siya. Bahuan siya. Ang ako, ang Amerikanong kuan, putot. Bahuan siya. Siya ganahan. So, later. Reklamo ang isa ka Pinay. Karang mga Pinay, mga mga baho.
Kaulang, ikwato niya sa sulod sa bulan sa sulod. Ay lang, pagluto sa sulod.
Mga mga Pinoy, mga baho. Mga baho gusto anak nila, mga bulad, ginamos. Mga bulad, mga ginamos. Mga lalaki ko no blami ang baho nga bilat. Kinsa ka? Kabalo ka? Mga taga asa?
Taga Other Earth.
Other Earth? Nade Other Earth? Abin ako isa ra Earth. Bitaw guys, naunsa na siya, bahog bilat na pud. Sayo sa buntag, wala siguro na nang hugas gabi. Bitaw guys, so that's the update for today. That's our plan for today actually. So, what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the doctor and take Braxton to school afterwards. He cannot miss 2 days. So he's just gonna miss half day today, and he don't like it because he wanna just, play his phone and whatever else. So I told him, no, you can't, because life is tough. You need to be responsible of your life and stop depending other people. Okay, ayaw lang pag pangayo. Okay, samok ang among gipangayuan, daga napoy problema. Dili na makatubang silang problema kay sige nagkuan atubang sa laing mga problema. Atakihon ta, matigok ta di oras. Muna nga ako daghan na kay kong uban, gitaguan galing na ako na akong uban kay daghan na kay nanunga. Alright guys, that's it. So I hope you guys have a good day and have fun and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Bye.